Hello pool players, I wanted to show you last night's practice where I'm shooting rail first with position. I wanted to show you this because this is not an ordinary rail first shot. I'm actually trying to play position above this 9-ball, and in fact I call this one pocket 9-ball. I make my practices kind of like a fun game. Now I'm going to be putting together a rail first video on mirroring. And you may have seen Dr. Dave's video where he talks about mirroring off the rail when you're going rail first. I think it's going to be important for players to know this because you can base everything from that, like I'm doing here. I'm using the mirroring effect or the mirroring method so that I can actually aim this ball. Now it's a little different here because I'm using draw spin with a little bit of left English. And because of that, I have to aim slightly different than just pure mirror. And I want to show you that in my upcoming video. And it's going to be, like I say, very helpful to a lot of players. So just thought I would show this. I'm actually trying to master, in this case, my stroke, because this is a kind of a finesse shot. In order to get close to that paper, I had to shoot this thing several times and make minute adjustments to get the cue ball to land on that white paper. So a lot of fun, and it's a great shot to know. A lot of players don't even understand that they can use the rail with spin on a rail first shot to play position. I've even had players tell me, oh, that's impossible, that's just luck, you know, that's low percentage. I disagree. If you practice these shots and get a feel for them, you can actually use them in a real game situation. So that's why I wanted to show it to you. Stay tuned. I'm hoping to have this video done maybe Monday morning. That's a good time for me to get videos out so a lot of players can check them out. Now the other thing too, as you're watching this video, please share this video and let others know that we've got a new one coming out. I'm going to show it with graphics so you guys can really see the layout and how you would aim a rail first shot with the mirroring method. So once again, thanks for watching. And if you want to watch another great video, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.